The first image represents the sapphire blue color, capturing its depth and elegance, much like the tranquil depths of the ocean. The second image showcases the sunflower yellow color, embodying its brightness and energy, bringing a sense of warmth and uplift to the space. The third image highlights the pale grey color, emphasizing its subtle elegance and versatility, providing a sophisticated and neutral backdrop. The mood board combines these colors with tropical-themed items, including a sapphire blue sofa, a sunflower yellow armchair, a pale grey coffee table, and decorative tropical elements, offering a cohesive vision for your family room or den. Room design. This image of the room incorporates all these elements into a cohesive design, with the furniture and color scheme creating a welcoming, tropical-themed family room or den that's both vibrant and serene.